Civilization made you soft. Comfort made you weak. But buried in your DNA, there's a primal force demanding to be unleashed. This is Testosterone 2.0. Forget what you know. This isn't about biology. This is about warrior software. Ancient code that built empires, that fueled conquerors, that turns boys into men and potential into power. Hear that voice telling you to hit snooze? Delete it. That urge to quit when it burns? Erase it. Testosterone 2.0 is your operating system update, and it only runs on 3 commands. Dominate, discipline, destroy weakness. Look at your life right now. The mediocre job, the half-assed workouts, the wasted hours. This is what happens when you run on demo mode. Time to install the upgrade. First, physical. Your body is a weapon. Stop treating it like decoration. Lift until your hands bleed. Sprint until your lungs scream. Make your reflection unrecognizable from the sheep staring back last year. Second, mental. Your brain is your empire. Feed it conquest, not TikTok. Study war. Master money. Outthink the crowd so far they call you crazy until they're working for you. Third, spiritual. You kneel to nothing. Not politicians, not trends, not your own pathetic excuses. You are the storm others take shelter from. They'll call you obsessed. Good. They'll say you're extreme. Better. While they're gossiping, you're growing. While they're scrolling, you're scaling. This is your evolution. Testosterone 2.0 isn't given. It's taken. Through sacrifice, through pain, through relentless action. The world's dividing into 2 groups, those who update and those left behind. Which side are you on? Subscribe for more motivation.